Hi all, hope all is well. Just want to do a quick update in regards to my solar still. This will be the final update for quite some time with this. All I wanted to do was just give it one last measure, so it's had one last cycle, that is one whole day to evaporate and one whole evening to condense. You can still see the moisture around the outside edge here. I completely dried this unit yesterday before resetting it, and that was in aim of trying to get the most refined measurement possible from it. So there was no moisture left inside it when I reset it yesterday, and by doing that, this morning I should be able to remove the center jar, give it a quick measure, and then we should be able to find out a definite answer in regards to how much I've improved the evaporation process by emptying it daily. So we're just gonna quickly do that now. There is quite a bit of moisture up inside there as well. We probably need to take that into account. We'll concentrate on doing the measurement first, so of what's actually in the jar itself. There is quite a bit of moisture in the outside edge of that as well. And as you can see, that's from one day, so it's still working. This is completely dry when I reset it yesterday. It's not going to be perfect, of course. It's a bit hard to measure everything, but as long as I get an idea. The idea was we were getting 11 mil a day of evaporation, and this is just confirmation on whether I've improved that situation at all. It's just a matter of trying to measure this out. It's not as easy as it looks, but oh, there we go. Okay, so that confirms everything I need to know. Pretty much, that's a 20 mil spoon. And from that 20 mil spoon, we can see there, obviously there's some moisture that's fallen onto the table on that here as well. And there's also a little bit of moisture remaining in the cup. So there's at least 22 mils there, which means I've doubled the capacity of the solar still by emptying it daily. And by emptying it daily, we are creating a dry atmosphere in there, and having that dry atmosphere is allowing for more evaporation during the day, and again, which allows for more condensation in the evening. So if you were to build a solar still such as this, the conclusions are as follows. You would need not 274 of these to create 3 litres a day. You'd need about 150 of them daily, and there'd need to be a tap on the bottom here connected to a hose so that you could drain them all daily. And if you could drain them all daily, you'll actually get, from 150 of these, you'll get your 3 litres of water from the ocean. So in theory, it is definitely possible to get enough water from the ocean through the process of evaporation and condensation. So the solar decel certainly works. Now, the only way forward from here is to try and refine the process even further. As you can see over here, that's what the idea of this is. I'm yet to improve this though. So again, the idea was to create more surface area so that there's more room for the light to actually bounce off the surface of the water, which allow for more evaporation. Unfortunately, because it's not sealed, it's failing to do that. So this needs to be improved, and that will be the next step. But other than that, I believe that's it. For this one, it just confirms that it is indeed possible to evaporate water from the ocean, to recondense it inside a jar setup such as this. Keep in mind, there is still water around the rim there and that as well, so we have doubled the rate of evaporation simply by removing it every day. The content of the jar here is actually getting smaller, so it is starting to reduce over time. As it reduces, the salt will be enriched in the center jar as well, because keep in mind that's seawater, and eventually the only thing that will be left in there is salt, a mineral deposit. And that's it. Thanks heaps for watching. Feel free, if you enjoyed the video or if you found this series intuitive, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I appreciate it heaps. The more the merrier. Other than that, the next time we'll do an update on this will be when that jar is empty. And to do that, basically I'll have to empty it daily, and I'll collect the water to one side so you can see what the outcome is. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.